Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch Death Note Season 1, Episode 31. I'm not gonna do the thing like, come on, 31. I'm gonna watch 3 episodes today and then I will keep the 4 last episodes for my last session of binge watching for Death Note. That's it, we're close to the end, guys. You know, I edited the last video of Death Note this morning and I was thinking about it, the fact that, okay, it's only 1 season, but still I had it for a couple of weeks, like for months even. And you know, little by little, I had the emotion to have less views on these videos and it never bothered me and I never questioned myself about am I gonna continue to react to it, like if people are not interested by it. Like it's demanding me also a lot of time because it's an anime, so I have to fight a lot also for these videos. And that's why also for the last videos of Death Note I had to play, you know, with the opacity of the screen. I hope that it didn't bother you, you know, that it was okay for you, but I had to do so. To try to not have to fight so much for these videos also, but it's like that, you know, with animes, with Japanese stuff, it's like that. They don't have the same rules than anyone. They don't have any rules, in fact, so it's really hard to know what they want. I tried to contact them without any success. So yes, I never wondered about continuing to react to it or not, even if I didn't have a lot of views on these videos, because it was never a question for me. I wanted to watch this show, I wanted to discover more about it, to know the end, to know how it's gonna end, to know the identity of L, to know who was gonna discover that for sure it was Light who is Kira, who is gonna catch Kira, how it was gonna end for Mr. Yagami. I'm gonna come back to that, but see, I'm so involved into this show, I'm playing so much the game, you know, with the writers, about catching Kira, about choosing a side, you know, between L and Light side. Of course, I'm more on L side. I was more on L side because that's it. He's dead, I'm sure of it now. But still, I'm against Light, I'm against what he's doing, because I don't agree with his principles of killing people just like that, because he thinks that they are bad people, but you know me, you know that I believe in second chance, so I can't agree with that. He's a little hypocrite with that because he killed persons for other reasons, like protecting himself and protecting his little lies. He's the fucking psychopath who has that idea of himself, like he wants to be the new god of the new world. That's it, now he's building his new kingdom, a dictator, clearly a dictator. People are afraid of being killed, just like that. People are denouncing each other, people are creating a milice to attack other people because they are against Kira, like they want blood. They want blood, they are afraid, they have no freedom. And that's a dictator, my dear. So even if I hate that, even if I hate Light, now I can see it, I still admire how clever he is. I still love this game that he's playing with people, you know, who are trying to catch him. I still like the fact that he's avoiding them so much, how he's doing it, like, I have to be impressed by that, even if I hate that. I love also the new game, you know, with these 2 successors for L. That competition between them can be interesting. You know, I couldn't see it during the last episodes because I was too sad, too mad, too frustrated and disgusted by the fact that the chief died. So I couldn't be focused on these 2 kids trying to catch Kira. But now that some time passed and that I edited these videos, I can see that they are clever, I can see that they can be great, and also that their relationship and this competition can bring something interesting for the anime. I can see it, I'm interested by that also. So yes, see, I never wondered about continuing to react to this show or not, even if I didn't have a lot of views on it, and it's not gonna be the case also for the end of the anime, still not. Oh, and I saw that we're gonna finish the year, at least on Patreon, with the last episodes of Death Note, and we're gonna begin the new year with the last episodes on YouTube, you know? Like really, that's gonna be the end of an era with Death Note, finishing, beginning the new year with Death Note. I'm not sure that it's great or not, you know, it's gonna depend on the conclusion of this anime. I will see that. Okay, so Earl died, that's it. Now I admitted it and I have no hope anymore. The chief died. It killed me, it's still killing me. When I edited that episode, I'm gonna put the link, really, I saw myself being so mad, like, I made fingers to the screen, I sweared in English but also in French, I made a break. During the review I had to put, you know, a lot of different times the thing, you know, like 10 seconds later, 20 seconds later, like you don't know how much, in fact, I cut from the review because I was just staring at the floor being so mad and all. And also, during a moment, during the episode, I had trouble to understand myself, like, I was like, what did you say? Because I was so mad that I used really high notes to talk, and I had to rewatch it again and again and again to understand what I was saying. So that's why I put a subtitle like Dolphin Translation, so you don't have, you know, to rewatch it again and again to understand me. But clearly, I think that this episode got me totally, and I might over it, you know, like, you know, the fact that the chief is dead, I'm not. I'm still mad, I'm still sad, and that's why I hate Light. The fact that the chief is dead broke me. The fact that it happened with that context, with Light, who didn't care at all about it and who wanted to use his father to kill someone to cover his lies, even if he knew that it was against his father's principles and he knew that his father was dying. The context of it, it's killing me more than the death of the chief, that I imagined, that I almost predicted at the beginning of the season. Remember, like I told you a lot of time in intros and reviews, that at some point maybe the chief was gonna be killed, maybe even by Light himself, so I was imagining that, and I was not mad when I was imagining that, because for me it was logical with the story that at some point it could happen. So really the context is killing me even more than his death, truly. Okay, so for now, if I have to find some hope, I would put my bet on Aizawa. You know how much I love this character. He really touched me a lot when he tried, you know, to stop working with this group for his family and all. That really touched me. I appreciated him even before that because he was really impulsive, and some of his moves, some of his speeches, I could have had the same. So before that I already loved him, after that even more, and now I would put my bet on him because I know his principles, and we saw him being like, that's it, Light, we have to suspect him again. But Light heard that, so now I'm worried for Aizawa, the last character into this show that I love. And my only hope, I have to put it on kids trying to catch Kira. And Nier is surrounded by that milice, you know, I'm not sure of it. Again, he's clever, he saw that the president said that he was on Kira's side, so I hope that you moved, you know, that you didn't stay there, Nier. I hope that you are that clever, please. Okay, I'm gonna stop this intro right now. Remember that if you want, you have my Patreon on which you can have the episodes earlier. You have one episode of advance for Death Note, and with an extended or full reaction part, like the episode 29, the full reaction part. And this ones, I don't know, I can't tell you that, you have to check the description. It's the best way to support me, and if you can't join me on Patreon, you can like, subscribe, comment. It's helping me also. Let's go for this episode 31. I hope that no one is gonna die. I'm worried for Aizawa and I'm worried for Misa also. The girl is afraid, she has reasons too. She heard Light, you know, when he said that about his sister, and he was also treating her like that, talking to her like that. I'm really not over that, neither. I'm afraid for this too. Let's go! Transfer? I hope that it's your transfer here. Melo. Your look, Melo, each time.
I urge you, do not rush the building all at once. I am Kira's loyal servant exclusive. You must listen to me.
Okay, and you're the general of this army, of this milice.
You've got no choice, you better evacuate.
He's not there.
Why is it we're being targeted and right after I start suspecting you? Pretty convenient if you ask me. To the task force, please listen to me. Kira is likely amongst you.
The original L also thought that Light had to be Kira.
And he was right. Come on, Aizawa. But be careful. The president said that he was on Kira's side. Nier is not there.
Here, we have to evacuate immediately.
Really? What pathetic people.
He is?
They are truly despicable and stupid. This is just a diversion for them. They're all selfish.
Yes, but we only have one shot with that plan.
I'm aware of
What
that.
plan?
I can't imagine a better time to do it.
You want to do something with the people, you know, to... Oh, that can be a good plan! They are stupid, they are selfish, they're gonna go for the money and they're gonna forget about Kira. They know who are your supporters.
I wish I were over there right now.
Oh, Matsuda, you're disappointing me.
Settle it. Damn it. He's planning to use all this chaos to escape with the crown. Even so, he can't escape.
Your supporters are stupid, that's stupid. It's monopoly money. Oh, you're gonna escape like that?
This is our window of opportunity.
Good call.
To relieve you of
Don't bring your toys, he's gonna know that this is you.
If I tell Aizawa and the others to keep an eye on the police, it will only make me look that much more suspicious.
Aha!
Where is he? He's gotta be in there somewhere. Where?
Well done, Nia.
Damn it.
You escaped and you proved your point with these people. And everyone saw that.
Matsuda, knock it off! I bet it was around $10 million or something. Ooh, what's that in apples?
Thought I should give you a call to let you know.
You're safe. That's a relief.
Liar.
So, if you don't suspect the second L of being Kira by now, you're in the wrong line of work.
You smiling like that, it's weird, you know. L, he never smiled. And it was better because he looked less malicious. He knows.
And if any of you want to cooperate with Nier, please go ahead. Still, it kind of feels like Nier's against us, doesn't it?
Aizawa? Mogi? You know also. Careful! Not Aizawa, not Aizawa, not Aizawa. It's my last...
When I think about Deputy Director Yagami, I don't want to suspect Light even a little bit, but
This is the last one that I truly love.
I've got a couple of exams coming up.
I see. Well,
You
don't push yourself
breath,
too
girl.
hard, okay?
Do it for her! For our future, you don't want this dictator to be our future.
I've got no choice but to do it.
To do what? He's gonna ask you to kill them?
No, wait.
You appreciate them. Misa, come on.
Yes, this is Nier.
I'm with the Japanese task force. My name is Aizawa.
It's gonna be okay.
If I do this, my safety is guaranteed, and I can finally just be a normal wife. He wants me to be happy, just as a woman should be.
He wants
Thank you.
to erase your memory?
Previous obtained for more than 50 days, and they were cleared based on the 13-day rule, correct? Kira is quite impressive. He must have used his detainment to demonstrate his innocence.
Now that you know that it's with a book.
Who were those two suspects?
I can't tell you that much.
I admire your loyalty.
Especially the part about Shinigami's eyes that enable you to see other people's names.
You told him also that information. Okay.
More information?
I think that all things considered, his level of cooperation is fine for now.
Don't push him too much.
The person suspected of being Kira is Deputy Director Yagami's son.
You guessed it.
That means the second L on the person I think is Kira can only be one man.
Light.
Like
Yeah.
Yagami.
There's something you should know. I phoned Nier and talked to him.
It's the best way to protect
I
you.
was the one who-
You're saying that in front of everyone.
What did the two of you end up discussing?
And you're gonna say that you
On
didn't
second thought,
say
I probably shouldn't ask.
you know,
I guess it's
his
not
name.
a problem. Sorry to have to do this again, but I want to put you under surveillance until we catch Kira. I'm afraid the ghost from Misa Amane.
Great, Aizawa, great.
There's a possibility that Amane might have a notebook. Hang on a second, Aizawa. No, go right ahead. Look at
Oh,
this.
that's why you... She's not gonna remember anything because she's not gonna have the Death Note anymore because you knew that he was gonna search into her apartment.
Moogie, I'm coming with you. I want to make sure too.
Oh, thank you, Moogie.
But if Amane has any evidence on her that connects her with Kira, then
Ida, you're suspecting him also. Oh, guys! She doesn't remember anything anymore.
Monchi, long time no see, you two.
well, there's no way she's got the notebook hidden on her dress like that.
Nah.
But
Some pages, maybe?
just in case. Search as much as you like, Aizawa. You won't find the notebook. It's time for Kira's kingdom.
You're gonna watch it? Oh, Matsuda, you're so influenceable.
Hey, so is everything okay?
Oh yeah, seems like it was just a prank.
Now accepting donations, starting at the million-yen mark towards the completion of Kira's kingdom. So,
This sounds
You're
like
taking money.
just acting on his own now. If he keeps doing this, he'll end up pushing people away from Kira.
clearly as I've chosen for Kira's kingdom.
The leaders you have chosen. Who are you? Mikami? You! He gave you the notebook? And he has the eyes. Who are you? You have a certain look for sure.
And delete.
Him also? Sorry for you, but I'm not gonna cry for you.
It's because you're going overboard with this? That might be a possibility. But this is horrible.
There is someone else
I can
into
definitely
the loop
understand
now.
that. It seems I was right to choose him for
Oh!
He knows
Ooh,
what
it
Kira
is.
Before she lost all her memories of the notebook, she sent it to someone else. She won't be able to answer any questions about it.
I knew it.
Just an ordinary woman. He made
Be nice with her.
I saw him trying to speak to Kira through the television broadcasts. It was clear he worshipped Kira.
Okay.
There was no mistake in my selection. Shinigami, thank you for coming to me. Now I'll be able to punish evildoers with death. God.
I have to think about it, you know, is it good or bad? It seems like it's bad because you managed to cover yourself, to cover Misa right there. She lost her memories. She's just an ordinary woman. It's saying how much you think of her and the fact that you were just using her. Again, I'm so mad and sad about how you're treating her now. I want Misa to survive and to be okay. I'm really like that now with her character. Is it good or bad? It can seem bad again because he's someone new, someone fully dedicated to Kira, someone who is gonna do everything that you want, someone who is anticipating also what you want, a good soldier. Misa was a slave, he can be a good soldier. But you know, the last time that you gave the notebook to someone else, you know, all of that story about the Yotsuba group, I thought that we were losing time. I thought that because of that they were not gonna suspect you anymore and it was back to zero again when that narrative arc would end. And I was wrong with that because in fact that narrative arc changed everything. Because of that narrative arc, you knew about the Death Note, about the Shinigami, you were able to see the Shinigami, like, changed everything, that narrative arc, when at first I thought that it was just useful to hide your secret. So right there, it's the same, like, it's someone to hide your secret, clear your name, but can it be helpful at some point? That guy, can you really control him? Misa, she's that loyal to you that she would obey to you until the end, but that guy, did you make enough researches about himself and his interest? I mean, he seems like someone who is thinking good stuff about himself. He seems as arrogant as you are, Light. Can it be possible that a conflict can appear right there? I don't know, I'm wondering, you know. Right now it's a good thing for you, Light. Maybe at some point it can be a bad thing for you. It's gonna depend on that guy, his attitude. Is he gonna follow you that much? He can be the kind of person who is gonna try to take your place, you know. No one knows that this is you, that Kira is Light. Is he gonna try to really take the place of Kira? Say to people, I'm Kira. Now that Kira has all of these supporters and people who are afraid of him and all who are on his side, is it really dangerous to say that you're Kira? For that guy to say it? It's dangerous for you, Light, but for that guy? I don't know. Okay, this episode. So Misa is without her memories. I'm so sorry for you, girl. You have a terrible life when you think about it. Aizawa is still alive. That's my main preoccupation right now. He's suspecting Light. He said it to Nier. Nier guessed who were the main suspects, but you didn't say the name neither, so you're still loyal to the Japanese forces. And you said the truth also to Light, which is good to protect you. And we saw also that Mogi and Ide, they are on your side, you know, they are keeping an eye on Light, really like that. Because I think that they respect Aizawa that much, you know, so they're gonna be okay to follow Aizawa. He's the new chief, if you think about it. Okay, that's great for us. I said us. Nier. So you were into that building, I was wrong about that. You didn't change, you know, the place where you were hiding when you discovered that the president was on Kira's side. Truly, I would have done it. You didn't. Instead, you thought of a plan that you used right there, which is great in a way because you just proved how stupid Kira's supporters are. The fact that they are selfish, they just care about themselves. And right there, you know, they wanted blood, they were going for blood because Kira is representing power for them, so the best way to protect themselves, you know, if you are ruling like that for a dictator, you want also the advantages of the dictator's supporters, and you want also maybe this dictator to do things for you, the best way to protect you, you know, all of that. And they wanted blood, but it seems that they want money, even more than blood. These persons. I would have sent them, you know, really monopolize money, to be sure that they can't use it. In appearance, you can use it, but in fact, no. It's not gonna work. So you managed to evacuate Nier, that's great. You know about the Shinigami eyes, so you're gonna be careful to not show your face. Melo is still working on the case also. I don't know who won that episode. I would be like, everyone won in fact, you know. Nier because of the fact that he managed to evacuate. Aizawa because he managed to talk to Nier but also to protect himself with Light. Light because he managed to give these orders to Misa soon enough, sure that no one would have the Death Note, that they wouldn't find the Death Note, and he gave it to someone who did everything that he wanted even before he knew that he could want it. Everyone want that episode at some point. So I don't know if it's great or not. I think that my hope is really at the same place. Aizawa can discover light, you know, from the inside. With Ide and Mogi now, I think that they can be allies. Nier can discover the truth also. Can discover a proof, a real one. Melo also, but for now we didn't see a lot about him, about what he's doing right there. No other reasons to be desperate. On the contrary, I was afraid for Aizawa, but how he acted during this episode, that was great. So at the end, it's a good episode? For me, I mean, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna end this review right now. I'm gonna watch 2 more episodes today, so it's all for you for today, and it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye!
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.